What's up, everybody? Welcome to the newest arcade vending and all things fun channel on YouTube called Galaxy Games. Today we're going to take an adventure to pick up a long abandoned soda vending machine in Hilton Head, South Carolina. The plan is to bring it back to the shop, open it up, and see just how much money's inside. Now, as a disclaimer, we do have permission from the property owner to remove this machine. Never take an abandoned machine without permission. Now let's get on the road. Definitely seen some better days. Dixie Narco 276. Let's see what we can do. Alright, we have the machine back to the shop, and it's time to drill the lock and open it up to see just how much money is inside. Let's get to work with the drill.
I got a painter and I picked the color out of it.
Cool.
It's called a Imperial Metallic Blue. It looks like it's black, but it's navy blue.
Yeah. That's going to be a mess to clean up.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh my God, look at
You
that.
see this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh Lord.
Yep.
Whew.
I wonder how old those are. How old are they?
Check the dates.
There's nothing in the cans.
No,
No,
they all
they've
exploded.
all emptied.
It was probably sitting outside during that deep freeze.
Sell by September 27th of 04.
Damn.
That's 15 years old.
04, seriously?
15 years old.
Oh man. Look at this shit.
That's change.
Let me go get the trash can.
Yep.
I always take change.
Oh, it is. Yeah. These things clean up pretty good.
Just get a big cup somewhere and start filling it up.
Oh yeah. Wow.
They probably left some money in here too, or maybe not.
We're gonna check it in just a minute. There's probably a bunch more in here.
That does not smell good.
Nope. Nickels over here. There's a bunch of change down in the door.
Yeah, hey, it's money. Just fill a big jar up and take it to the bank one day.
Ready to check the DBA?
Oh, yeah. There's a bunch of that crack. It's all going to go in there. Crack. All right, Bubba. Yeah, we're just trying to get this thing done before it starts pouring down on us. We had to go, like I said, go all the way to Hilton Head this morning.
Pull that door open. Let's see if we can get it popped. Holy cow. Huh. Woo. Smells amazing. There's a little bit of money in there. There's a little bit. Just a little bit more.
Hey, every dollar counts. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
21 plus a ton of change.
Not bad for a free machine.
Look at all this change.
Come pick up the machine and get it out of our hair.
The coin mech's full too.
Nice.
Nice. All right.
Yeah.
Good to know. Look at that. Look at that mess. The coin spillage all over the place. Love it.
All that for a free. Come get the machine. We're
That's
tired
right.
of looking at it.
Let's get this thing cleaned up.
All right.
All right. 2 big nasty trash bags full of empty cans pulled out, and some in there.
Huh?
Here's the grossness with the cans pulled out. You can see a lot of these cans exploded in there and just totally gross, totally gross. Compressors all oxidized. It'll be interesting to see, you know, what's working and what's not after all this has gone through. We'll do a money pull here. Well, we pulled the dollars. We pulled all the coins out. We just ran them under some water because they are gross too. So we'll see what happens. We'll see how they look. Can pull that out. All right, we'll be back in a minute. Here's all the coins pulled out of the machine. We'll do a proper count later on, but check that out. Check how many coins are in there. A ton. We'll get a count shortly. plug it in. Let's see what happens. No way.
Compressor ain't come on yet.
There's something caught up in those fan blades.
Yeah, right. It's a pine straw.
Yep.
Is that a wire hanging down right here?
Looks like a motor wire hanging down, yep.
Oh, yeah, it got cut. Okay.
Yep. Alright, so as you can see, the machine still works, but even after a power washing, we just didn't feel this machine was clean and reliable enough to put on location. It needed a bunch of replacement parts just to make it look nice and to work properly. As you can see, however, the machine had a total of $75.65 inside. So thanks for coming along on our adventure, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment about what you'd like to see us do next. That's all for now.